Next are the two British planes, the Hawker Hurricane and the Super Submarine Spitfire. And I remember I did those, together at the same time, similar to how like I did the Vigilantes or the A4s or what have you. Because as I researched them, the markings were extremely similar, the decals were similar, so it just kind of warranted, doing them at the same time. And given they were both Airfix kits and similar in that fashion as well, yeah, I remember I built them in tandem. And again, here's references that I found for the Hawker. I don't know if I think I had similar ones for the Spitfire. These Airfix kits, a pretty decent kit as I recall. And the instructions are pretty straightforward. And then a nice painting and decal guide. And yeah, I saw that, and I'm pretty sure, if I remember correctly, I might be missing a page. Because if I recall correctly, this had a very similar, it looked, it was laid out almost identical, but I think it was on another page that was an insert. So yeah, I ended up doing them in a very similar fashion as you see here as they go around on the turntable. The Super Submarine Spitfire first flew on the 5th of March 1936. The RAF received the first of its Spitfires in July 1938, with 9 squadrons being operational when war was declared in September of '39. Seeing only limited action until the Battle of Britain in summer 1940, the Spitfire cemented its position through this conflict as one of the most famous fighter aircraft of all time. Through a combination of clever designs such as the elliptical wings, as well as the power of a Rolls-Royce Merlin engine, the Spitfire proved to be the best fighter in the skies over England in 1940. While the Hurricane served in greater numbers, it was the elegant Spitfire that captured the imagination of the British public. The Spitfire had a wingspan of 36 feet 10 inches, overall length of 29 feet 11 inches, and a height of 11 feet 5. Its maximum speed was 374 miles an hour at 13,000 feet, with a service ceiling of 37,000 feet and a range of 1,135 miles. It was armed with 4 .303 caliber machine guns and could carry an external bomb load of 1 500-pound bomb or 2 250-pound bombs. At the time of the Battle of Britain, the Hawker Hurricane was the most important and most numerous fighter in the RAF's arsenal. Despite being slower than the Spitfire and marginally less maneuverable, the Hurricane was an excellent gun platform and could absorb tremendous damage due to its fabric construction. During the battle, it accounted for the vast majority of RAF kills and was able to acquit itself quite well against the supposedly superior Messerschmitt 109. After the battle, the Hurricane served with distinction across the Middle East and Far East, with examples being sold to the Soviet Union as well as the Irish Republic. The Hurricane had a wingspan of 40 feet, an overall length of 31 feet 4 inches. It was powered by the Rolls-Royce Merlin engine, giving the aircraft a top speed of 324 miles per hour at 18,000 feet. It was armed with 8 .303 millimeter machine guns. So please watch for more before YouTube builds, and I hope you enjoyed this one, and as always, thanks for watching and happy modeling.